Thank you all for joining this session. My name is Swapnil Zada, and you can reach me at olivesearch.in@gmail.com. Today's session on PowerPoint tricks is how to start the PowerPoint. We'll see few other modules like what is a blank template, how do we remove the default boxes, what are title and body layouts, and how do we set the background color, and how do we save the PowerPoint. So this is a very basic session on PowerPoint. Let's start. So in order to start the PowerPoint, just go to run and say PowerPoint. Okay, it will show you a blank presentation along with some themes which are already present on your machine. So as of now, we'll start with the blank presentation. Click on the blank presentation and it will give you one slide. So this is a normal look and feel when you open a PowerPoint presentation. On the left hand side, it will show you number of slides that you have in your presentation, and on the right hand side you see the corresponding body of the slide. And typically when it opens, right, it gives you a default name. So if you have opened it for the first time, it will say presentation 1 followed by presentation 2 and so on. And the first slide that you see here on your left hand side is a title slide. So that means you can add title to your slide or to your PowerPoint presentation, and if you require, then you can also add a subtitle to it. So let's say we add the title is how to start PowerPoint, and let's say my subtitle is PowerPoint tricks. Okay, and then I say Control S, and you can save it in your desired location. In my case, I will save it here. Okay, remember while saving, it takes the default extension as PPTX, and there are other options which you can use. As of now, we'll go by the default type, which is PPTX, and you save it. Okay, now if you want to add another slide, on your left hand side you see there is a lane here. You can just right click on this lane and say new slide. The moment you say new slide, on the right hand side you see there are, in the body section, you have two boxes that are by default available. One is title and the other is the add text box. Okay, so normally you don't need this add text box. Just click on this so that it gets selected and you click on the delete button. Okay, so now I am left with only the title box and the empty space here. You save it. Now this slide can be used to write your title. So this is my first title here. So by default there is some font and the size that has been assigned to this title box, and then you can use different shapes which are available in the PowerPoint to draw your presentation. Okay, so most of the times you will need this kind of slide where it has one title and the rest of the section is blank. So you can add different shapes here, or you can write some text here instead of the shapes, right? So let's say if you want another slide, you can just say right click, copy, and then you can paste it here, or you can say right click, duplicate, so it will make a copy, exact replica of the copy that you have selected. Okay, now we'll talk about how to change the background color. So the moment I click on a particular slide, the right hand side body belongs to that particular slide. So for example, I'm on second slide, and in second slide I move these two boxes slightly on the upper edge and here on the lower edge. So it will tell me that I am on second slide, whereas on third slide if you see these two boxes are exactly parallel to each other. Okay. Now if you right click on this slide, you see something called as format background. You click on this format background, and on the far right you see there are few options that have come up. You can select a solid fill, and then you can select the color of your background. So let's say I select orange. In case I select orange, the background will be filled with that color. I can select any other color. And mind well, we are doing this only for the second slide, so the impact is not propagated to the third and the fourth slide. So this is how we change the background color, and then you can again save it. There are other options like you can create a PDF out of this presentation as well. So when you say save as, instead of the default PPTX, you select PDF and then click on save. So the same presentation is now available in PDF format. You see here, this is displayed in Adobe Acrobat. This is a PDF file. Okay, I guess this is the end of this session.